2021 will not come with terms and conditions as many of the TikTokers would like. There are some things business owners could be doing better. We have seen some things that could be better organized. We want to help you with that. If you hang out to the end, we're going to give you several critical videos that you can watch for you to do it yourself. I am sitting very still so that you do not see the glare in my glasses. Welcome to Advancing with Financing. I am solo today, but still very happy to be here today. Trevor is here in spirit. He's on the phone, been on the phone for hours. With this new stimulus that was just passed into law, there are still some unanswered questions because the SBA still has to create the rules for their lending procedures. So if anyone is expounding on exact rules, please just sit tight because the rules haven't been created yet. Now, in some good news today, just moments ago, we were celebrating because a client who was originally declined, their EIDL loan was declined. We have a bit of an anal retentive process with our reconsideration because Trevor, for 30 plus years, did FHA lending. He did government loans to get people into their home. So he understands how the government guidelines works. He kind of knows how to maneuver, and thus our anal retentive process when it comes to reconsideration. We have been having success with approvals. It's our new favorite word, approved. We love getting that email from the SBA with a big green button. If you're going to take this on by yourself, we have a couple videos that you can reference: how to apply for an EIDL loan, how to write a reconsideration letter, and how to check on the status of your EIDL loan. There's also one video that is really critical that I very much recommend that you check out, which is the 3 common mistakes when calling on your EIDL loan. If Trevor were here with me, we would say the same thing. We are Aurora Consulting, financing solutions for your business success story.